It's not recording. I stopped it.
No, keep recording.
It's recording right now.
Don't stop. Wouldn't come in. Yeah.
We're the elevator alone. Huge, massive elevator, and we're alone because they saw he was.
You're not leading him.
I'm leading him?
Yeah.
He handed this to me.
Shit. Oh my god.
Oh, stop it.
What do you think of it?
I don't want to be near him, please.
Are you going to post that on YouTube?
What did that guy do? Run away! You okay? Zach, what did he do?
Please tell me you got it.
That guy.
Did you really?
He was like running away.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Did you get him running away?
He was smiling and like running away.
Are you crazy? You like went in like you were an attack.
And he started
Did
running.
you really get it?
Well, Kai, I don't know if I got it. All I saw was him starting to like run away. That's what I got.
Kidding?
Alright, what else did he do?
You're supposed to film me.
Yeah, I filmed you, and
Let me see.